Okay, here we go. Let me turn this guy down. So we're gonna get, we have a signal here on this one. Let me kind of zoom in here a little bit. See if I can see what's going on in this chart. This is the 10th. We got to update that date. Okay, we're getting in here closer and closer. Come on. This thing is kind of sticky when I try to zoom in here. All right, so here's a good view of our risk graph. And we have a, let me just check one thing real quick. Okay, so I'm going to try to get filled here. Looks like we can get maybe 95. I'm going to start at 9. Well, maybe I'll start at $1. Let's see. Let's go for $1. See if we get lucky. Well, there's $1. You can see here the mark. So the mark is showing what is probably reasonable to get. This is what I'm asking. I'm trying to get $1. They're saying nope. The best price you're going to get right now is 97.975. But it's flirting around $1, which is $100. That's $1 times 100 contracts. Or I mean 100 shares. So I think we can get $1 on this. Let's just wait for a second. Or maybe not. Or maybe. I'm going to say 90. Let's go to 95. All right, we're in. We're off and running at 95. Okay, so let's just come over here and lock this in at 95. I'm going to go ahead and set my exit order, my profit target now. So we say analyze opposite trade. If I got 95, that means I need to buy it back at, I think, 45, right? 45. So we'll say create duplicate order. Put that in there. There she is. She's working. All right. So let's just keep our eye on this. See if we can get that, get some more money out of this market. And we'll go ahead and we'll tune in the rod. We'll eavesdrop in the room for a little bit. And then there's this really cool video, this YouTube channel I want to show you guys. It's one of my favorite channels. It's awesome stuff. So let me just pull Rod in here to the room real quick. Come on, baby. Got all these screens going on here. So here's the room. This is our Vince trade. We get in this room every day and we trade what I call the Vince trade. It's a micro futures day trading strategy. Oh, look at that. We're down $30 already. That's not nice. That's not very good. Okay. But we get in this room every day and we do the Vince trade. It's a micro futures day trading strategy that's really fun and cool and really is putting off good results. It's a great way to start off the morning. You can get a free trial to our room if you want. If you want, just reach out to me, email me, or leave it in the comments or something, and I'll get back to you and I'll give you you can get a free trial in this room and check it out. It's a great way to start off the morning. So let's tune in and see what's going on. See what's going on in the room with Rod.
Anyone already have a Dow long on here?
And the rest of them.
Trail a stop on it. On this kind of move, it's good enough. And then remember the target is, so really the way to do this is you right click and go OCO. And then put this here. And this up here. And now I have one that I can just sort of set it and forget it. S&P having a nice move there as well. NASDAQ +2s are where I'll get short here, because this one I'm just doing a little bit more conservatively. And I'm going to sell the new highs here as well. All right, stopped out of the Dow. Is anyone long Dow there? Reason for the Dow, I was already long from early this morning in this cluster area here, where you just sort of see the back. You have the same thing on the S&P. So now this becomes, so let me just give you an example. This becomes a buy again. And I already have a buy there and there, so. So that worked out fine. The problem is that I'm still short. I've been short a core NASDAQ for a while, and it's been a repeat of. I'm just stubborn. I wait for the -2s, and I'm not getting the last pieces of inventory off. Like, look at this here, 808. This is where I would eventually. So there we go. We'll see if. Can we get back down to VWAP? All right, someone's long CL. It better be MCL. I think you meant MCL. 7304. Okay, that's an interesting trade, but good on it. It doesn't have much difference separation from the T line, so that's pretty cool. It is outside day up, so for our stuff, this would be a short at new highs here, wouldn't be getting long here. But thank you for calling that out. Hopefully it's MCL as well. No, I put trail stops in there. I put trail stops in there when we're that close to target. So remember on this S&P
order filled
here, target was right in here. We were really, really close. So I don't believe we have any. All right, so scalped my way out of that for a whopping 20 bucks. It was qualified for a graceful exit because we did nothing but go kind of straight up. All right. MNQ here. Yeah. What the hell? Doesn't make any sense. Allowed to have 5, right? Oh, because I still have OCOs turned on. There we go. I'm like, what's going on? Make sure you turn off OCO if you don't want it. All right, This is 151. Of course, out of sync, which I often am. There we go. All out 899 on the NASI. Did we get to 899? You mean earlier? Earlier this morning? Or was the Dow 899? 899. Oh, there you go. You're talking Dow, right? Look at that. Something magical about 899. Just happens to be prior session's high, huh? We're just crushing here. Crushing. Start the morning crushing. ZBZN going the right way. All right, I'm going to just hit this here. And oh, we already hit target there. Look at this MES. Time to short. Get a little short going on. And here we go. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. There we go. Yep. MYM. I figured it out. I figured it out. Give me one in the chat if you're scalping this VWAP to +1 like a boss. VWAP to +1. Some of you guys should be done for the day. Like I said, it's just like yesterday where it's given us these nice undulations. Undulation. I'm gonna try it over here with a little bit more size. I'm a little late to the party. Late to the party. Plus you get to watch how good the all right, we'll check back in with that in a little bit. Long here again. We're quick. No, the NASDAQ had 50% ATR. Get involved. 50% ATR on the NASDAQ. You get involved if you trade the NASDAQ. Frameworks for everything. Ooh, we gotta get some issues over here. All right, nice little trade here on that NASDAQ short. I'm just going to drag this into price. And we'll resell these structure highs. We keep coming up and finding some right there at this visible range value area. So as soon as you get into this blue and gold here, crude oil going higher, working out for the long there for you. Russell came up to, whoops. Russell did not come up. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Clear offer zone up here. Got a ways to go there. And your bid zone is way down here. So just range bound, stuck like Chuck there, which we like. What I would like is for the NASDAQ to collapse. Because we still got this issue going on here. Like I said, the third day in a row trading two directions on these. No trades over here yet. Did we get a fill? Yeah, did get a fill here. S&P staying bid for right now. Come on, ZB. Come on down. 122 spot 14 is where I need you. 122 spot 14. You need this MNQ to come down too here. Yeah, 122 spot 14. Checking on gold. Farting around. I mean, I guess you move this bid zone all the way over here. All right, see if we can get a touchdown at the -1s. Come on. There we go. That helped. That helped. S&P coming in a little bit. Looks like we might get to the -2s. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
S&P coming in. Should be helping over here. All right, we're gonna take one here.
Order filled.
We need to get some orders here.
Order filled.
I agree, NASDAQ. Let's go down, please. All right. Did I have a position on here? I did. So
Order filled.
there's no buy bid here, which is a bummer. So we'll take that off. Everybody should be making good money today. You got wacky two-way action in the NASDAQ, which we like. Dow's held up pretty well. Gave you a nice little pop. Derek crushed it right up to the exact tick. Right up to the exact tick. All right. I'm being aggressive and I'm shorting another one here.
Order filled.
I'm doing it so you don't have to. It is not the TDG way to short -1s. The short was at 849s. Trying to be patient, but I want to lean into it a little bit here. Lean in. Just lean in a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on.
Order filled.
Help a brother out. God darn it. Boom. Hit it in both. Hit it in both. One more. Come on. Hit another one. All right. That's working out all right over there. Now we can put in the proper price. Nice to be up 190, but lost 200 yesterday, so. Who thinks we're going to finally get a -1 touch? Anyone? Excuse me, -2 touch. Come on, Nazi. Give us a -2 touch. Oh, dead ass wrong yesterday. Dead ass wrong yesterday, as we know. I believe. All right, I'm going to take this down to here. Come on, baby. See, I don't even have enough. If you were trading this at AMP, I could put on 1 million, but Interactive Brokers keeps you honest. All right, 47.92s is where I need to cover some of this. $47.92s. This thing is in the way and annoying. Piece of shit. Ah. Okay. Go to this swing right here. Come on. There you go. Come on. All right. So we're going to target and reverse here because remember we're long in these top step accounts. I don't think we made much money here. $21.38, baby. You can't trade options at Trade of 8. It's owned by Ninja. So they have a really nice options chain here that's totally gone to waste. So some of you know that I got in a little dispute with them over the vendor thing, but I also got
Order filled.
a dispute with the head of the brokerage department that I kind of, he's a dimwit. They're just such a shitty company. Every single person that works there is an idiot. I feel bad for Rick and his team. I really do. Feel bad for Rick and his team. All right, I think I have some long Nazi over here. Yeah, this needs help. There's probably an exit there. Long here. All right. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. We'll take that there. Yeah, their compliance, their treasury, their engineering, their management, their customer support. The most unfortunate thing is that, you know, our biggest relationship, my biggest relationship currently with Top Step, they signed a exclusive agreement with Ninja so they could get really good prices. So they're not going to be able to use TickBlaze. Coming very soon. The most badass trading platform you've ever seen. And it'll be available at a lot of the prop firms, but not Apex, unfortunately. Not initially. I don't know how long their contract is. But Rod, I just spent the time investing in Ninja. Look, Ninja's not going away. I'm gonna have Ninja here on the screen in front of you till probably the end of time. But Ninja till the end of time. Over here on Trade of 8, very, very tradable. This thing finally now is, you know, they had a couple outages, some hiccups and things like this. But I can trade these Apexes on Trade of 8 fine, just using the dome.
Order filled.
Yep, bonds are coming off a little bit, but ever so slightly. I'm short the ZB. I'm short the ZN, and I'm looking to try to sell some 112. Excuse me, some ZN, some 111 and a halves, but we'll have to wait for tomorrow's vol. Come to Butthead. All right, you said you never saw me do a buy stop. Well, there's another buy stop because boom!
Order filled.
Boom! We're the best ever, are we not?
Order filled.
So now I am going to sell this. I got too much going on, as is always the case. Need to sell here. S&P's going really well over here. Come on, one more. So in just doing the TDG way here with a decent amount more size. I have a 6,000 daily risk budget in this account, and it's one of the ETF ones that they basically gave me.
Order filled.
One, it's a $20,000 profit objective, so see that counts up 6,000 a day. But just doing the same thing you're seeing here on the screen. It's the same thing.
Order filled.
Oh, MNQ we got to fill here. Okay, so now we're long. I'm just going to join the ask. All right, we're done. So now we'll sell here. It looks like, did I get a fill over here? Nope, not yet. Nothing going on over here. You guys are going to welcome Brad this afternoon. This is probably like watching a strobe light, watching me trade. It's probably like, what in the fuck is going on? That's the whole point. And what's funny is I not only have one of these virtual private machines open, I have 4 of them open. 3 of them are one of my big IB live account, but it's basically in the same position as what you see here. I'm short the S&P, I'm short the MNQ, I'm long to NQ at those levels, short bonds. So the purpose of here is to show you that you can do this, because the reason you can is because the levels are all right there. Where's my next target on this? Right here, right? Let's just put the target in there. I'm going to go 800 just because it's a stupid number. I want to see us break out of the bid zone here.
Order filled.
Something to work towards. Hopefully that's not trading.
Right. Looks like we just got filled. That was a nice one. Nice, fast, quickie. I can get one of my quickie thumbnails up today.
5
Those are
different
my
prop
favorite.
firms on
So let me take this guy
3
off
different
here.
platforms all at the same time.
All right, so let's get him off the screen. And then I also have this other thing going on here. This Vince trade thing, which I'll show you in a minute, that's doing well today. And let's see where we're at here. So we got filled at 45. Nice. So that puts us $50 for the day. Nice. Okay. And so that's closed out. Let's go to our Excel sheet real quick. Well, actually, let me manage this other trade real quick. Here, let me share this with you. This is just a little shameless plug for the Vince trade, what we're doing with the Vince trade. And this is that prop account thing that we're doing. So what I haven't explained very well to a lot of people is, I think, otherwise I can't believe more people wouldn't be jumping all over this, is that with this prop account Vince trade thing, you can set up multiple accounts and you can link them all together. So you make one trade in just one account, but it gets replicated through all of them. So you can see in this case, I have 14 of these accounts going. I've just made one trade in one account, like the first one, and it just replicates in all of them. So it just multiplies that profit made, across 14 different accounts in this case. So I made $123 for today, but it's 123 times 14. And this is something you can do with not even risking your own money. This is with the prop accounts money. So check that out. Contact me and I'll give you the details on it. It's like one of the greatest opportunities. I got my son into it and I'm kicking myself for not getting involved in this earlier. Here, let me get out of this one. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
So now we're up to 150. So $150 times multiplied across 14 accounts. That's a significant potential income there every day. Like in what? In less than like in about 30 minutes or so. So anyway, just ask me about the Vince trade and how to get that set up, and you can get a free trial of the room. So take advantage of that. At least get in here to learn that. Just kind of like it's not going to cost anything. It'll be some knowledge, if nothing else. But the opportunity to make like really significant income is ridiculous with this. So anyway, that's that. Let's get back to this trade. Let me just make sure that I'm out of these.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. So let's finish up the Vince trades. Let's open up the Excel sheet, my fancy dancy Excel sheet. Okay, here we go. Okay, so today is the 10th. 1/10/24. Nice. So we made $50 today. And our total risk on this, 405. 405. This trade took us 30 minutes. And here's where we stand now with our new numbers. So this trade got finished so quickly. There may be some multiple opportunities today for double dips, maybe even a triple dip. But we'll see. So if not, I'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd like to follow along with this trade or get involved with the Vince trade or any of these other things I'm doing, just reach out to me. Leave a comment below, or the best way to get a hold of me is go to my website. I'll leave a link to my website in the description below. Head on over there. Join my free email newsletter, and when you join that, you'll get a welcome email sent to you. Just reply back to that welcome email, and I'll respond to you, and we'll go from there. All right, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.